TV. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're most definitely welcome. Please do want to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a delicious creamy chicken sauce. So guys, let's get started. I will be using oregano, black pepper, basil, seasoning powder, Thai pepper. This is optional, by the way. If you do not want it spicy, please do not use it. Yellow, green and red bell peppers, garlic cloves, onions, zucchini, and here chicken breast. Although I marinated this overnight with black pepper, mint powder, parsley powder, noodle seasoning and salt, cooking oil, cooking cream, and lastly salt to taste. So guys, let's get started. Firstly, I will fry the chicken breast with a little oil on low heat until it's golden brown. Stir-fry zucchini and leave for 2 minutes in order to reduce its water content. Add onions, garlic, peppers and stir. Add spices, chicken breast and stir properly so that all spices can combine. Be sure to pour in the cooking cream before adding salt to taste. Thereafter, leave to cook for 3 minutes. There you go. chicken sauce is ready. You can enjoy this with potatoes, pasta, rice, and many more. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.